people of the internet, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing November's Bella Skin Box. That kind of hurt. I just hit myself in the face with that. And I'm super excited to be unboxing this, and I just wanted to say thank you to Bella Skin Box for sending this over my way. I'm so excited to see what is inside here and to tell you guys all about this box. So a little bit about Bella Skin Box. It's $35 a month, and all of the products that you receive are cruelty free, and you get mainly skincare and then some beauty tool items. And then you get a variety of different brands every single month to help you kind of discover, you know, what you like best in your skincare regimen and, you know, what works best for you and your skin, because, you know, everybody's skin is different. So this is a really nice way to try some new skincare and all that kind of fun stuff. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and get into unboxing this video. Unboxing this box. Let's just go ahead and get into this video and start unboxing this box. If I only had a brain. Okay. So every month you get these cutie little Bella Skin Box cards. And it just gives you some information on... Ooh, coupon! Okay, hold on. So it gives you some information on the 5 products that you do receive in here. So it says Black Friday sale, take 30% off your shop, or their shop, use code all capitals BLKFRIDAY. So it goes from November 26th to November 30th. So, you know, get those deals, girl. And to read these as I unbox the products. So I'm going to just set that right in front of me and open up the box. This is what it looks like when I first open it, minus that little card that was in there. So I'm just going to start with this on the top. There's a couple of these in here. So I'm going to talk about these first. So these are the Soon Strawberry Lip Masks with collagen. And they're single use, and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, so that's exciting. I'm always obsessed with packaging, so look how stinking cute these are. Okie dokie. So about the Soon Skincare 5-pack lip mask, it does retail for $16, and it says, kiss lackluster lips goodbye. Plump, hydrate, and lighten dark spots with a daily lip mask packed with high-impact ingredients to deliver a healthier looking pout. The ideal pre-treatment for lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss to prevent flaking and color bleeding. I'm really excited to use these, especially with it getting colder out. You know, it's chapped lip season, so these are going to be absolutely amazing, and I'm so excited to try them, and I kind of really hope that they smell like strawberries. The next item in here is the Bella Skincare Rejuvenating Serum. Looks like this. Packaging, adorable, absolutely so cute. I want to see what the little product looks like. Oh, okay, very beautiful. Just a little dropper, so very nice. Let's read about this really quick because I want to know some more about it. So on here it says that this is a soothing blend of natural oils, great for all skin types. The formula is lightweight, helps soften skin, leaving it silky with a natural glow from within. Rub gently on the face and neck after moisturizer daily, as often as desired. So that's pretty cool. And this rejuvenating serum retails for $30. And I don't know how long I showed the packaging, but to me it looks stinking adorable, of course. So up next we have the Clean Slate 3-in-1 Makeup Remover, Makeup Remover Cleansing Balm and Radiant Sleeping Mask. It's a sleeping mask too? Okay, that's like, is this too good to be true? Because this kind of sounds like how it is with like men's shampoo, where it's like body wash, shampoo, and conditioner all in one. So, we'll see. I'm excited to see how this works. Oh, okay, so there's instructions on here. So it says cleansing and makeup remover use. Melt a pea-sized amount onto your fingertips. Massage into dry face, lips, and lips and neck, and over eyelids. Remove with a warm, wet washcloth. Use daily. And as a sleeping mask, it says melt half a pea-sized amount into your finger and press into face, neck, and lips. Sleep tight. Rinse off in the morning with warm water and wet cloth. Use 2 to 3 times weekly as the sleeping mask. And like the ingredients list on these are so small. So I'm kind of like, oh, that's so exciting. I almost just dropped this on my dog's head, and it's a glass jar, and I just had a heart attack because she likes to stand right here below me and make noises whenever I film. Anyways, let's read about it on here. So it says, okay, so it says multifunctioning formula lifts dirt away, melts makeup, and draws out pollutions while plumping, moisturizing, softening skin, removes all makeup, even mascara. Longwear formula doubles as a sleeping mask / nightly moisturizer to promote glowy, moisturized complexion, soften fine lines and wrinkles, and promotes a healthy skin barrier. Plus encourages cellular rejuvenation, plumps skin by locking in moisture and preventing TELW, trans epidermal water loss, formulated for all skin types and perfect for sensitive skin. What? This retails for $35, and this sounds like a miracle magic like product. I'm kind of like super duper excited for this, and I can't wait to bust this open. I'm so excited right now. Okay, so next up we have this is the Skin and Chroma Truffle Therapy Restructuring Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate, and it's an eye concentrate, and it says that it was made in Italy. Let's see what the little packaging looks like. Oh wow, that's heavy. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped the box. Lucy, please don't. Oh, my dog likes to eat boxes more than anything. She likes to eat everything, actually. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Wait. Okay, so let's read some more about this. So, created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through decades of research to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour, formulated with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, vitamins to protect against free radical and environmental damage, and hydrolyzed, I think that's the right word, fruit extracts to energize and reveal brighter eyes. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate works best as part of the truffle therapy regimen to achieve glowing results. And so this is actually a travel size, and this retails for $30. So, I mean, this also sounds like something super good and amazing. So, let's get into the last product we have in here. It looks like this. And this is the After Spa Back Scrubber with handles. And it says, cleanses and polishes hard to reach areas. So I kind of just want to see the texture. More effective more effective cleaning than using just your hands alone. It says, directions, gently massage your skin to clean and exfoliate. Use handles to get hard to reach areas. Use with shower gel, soap, or body scrub. Rinse with water and air dry. Use daily. So it's just kind of like the texture of a loofah, like a fluffy loofah. Okay, so it says exfoliate full body, including hard to reach areas, with this cloth covered sponge made from exfoliating cotton. Deep cleanses your skin and stimulates circulation, accompanied by a great massage. That is also pretty cool, and this retails for $9. So in total, this month's box retailed for $120, and for only $35, you seriously get so much absolutely wonderful, amazing things, and I'm so excited to try all this. I love that this box is completely cruelty free. That to me is absolutely amazing. Okay, well, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.